In this video, I'm covering 5 easy boxing jump rope tricks that are good for beginners through advanced, with number 5 being an absolute game changer. Let's get it.
The alternate leg skill is great for building speed, intensity, and coordination for footwork that involves shifting your weight from one leg to the other. A good example is the forward shuffle. Instead of lifting your leg up, you push it out to the front while still shifting your weight from one leg to the other. The key with these skills is to start slow and gradually build up your speed. The boxer skip is a foundational footwork in jump rope that you need to learn because you will use it a lot. It utilizes a simple shift in weight from one foot to the other while tapping the other foot to the ground, mainly for balance. It seems pretty insignificant, but the shift from one foot to the other provides a brief rest for the other leg that isn't supporting much weight. Learning this skill will quickly increase your ability to jump rope for longer periods of time. It's also great for building coordination and rhythm by creating patterns of how many times you jump on one leg before shifting to the other. Closely related to the boxer skip is the heel tap. With this variation, instead of tapping your toe to the ground, you swing your foot out in front of you and tap your heel to the ground. Once you have the heel tap down, you can add the heel toe step, which adds a shift backwards after the heel tap, along with a toe tap to the foot that shifts behind you. It helps to practice this footwork without the rope to get the pattern down and then add the rope in afterwards.
If you're having a hard time learning new skills and tricks, or you're just running into a lot of trip ups with your jump rope, there might be an easy solution for you, and that's right here. This is a 6mm PVC jump rope, and what's so special about this is it has a little bit more weight to the rope itself. This provides better feel and feedback as the rope's rotating around your body, helping you know where it's at, making you jump better. This rope is by Elite Jumps, who is the sponsor of my channel. I got them linked down below with a 15% off code for you. And be sure to check out their custom rope builder where you can pick your handle size, your handle color, or your rope color, making it exactly the way you want. Back to the video.
The crisscross is the first crossing skill you need to learn. While it's great for simply mixing up your jumping and looks awesome when you can do it at a fast pace, it's also great for raising the intensity of your jumping. The crossing and uncrossing motion will activate your chest and back muscles more in addition to your arms and shoulders. You will find as you begin to become more consistent in performing this skill that you'll get tired a lot faster. If you are looking to master the crisscross, I have my tutorial that shows you the exact drills to help you master this skill, linked at the end of this video. I am including these skills together because they all help with timing and provide either lateral movement or forward and backward movement. These are simple, yet highly effective. The skier is simple side-to-side hops with the rope passing as you jump to the other side. If your timing is off, you will trip. Similar to the skier, the bellhop is a forward and backward hop. Scissor jumps is when one foot goes forward and the other backwards, as if you're opening and closing a pair of scissors. You can also perform this in a half scissor move where both feet meet back in the middle for a jump before splitting up again. The side straddle is the bottom half of a jumping jack, and in my opinion, the most challenging of the 4 skills. You can't straddle your legs too wide or they'll catch on the jump rope. Only go about shoulder width wide and then back together. Start slow and build up gradually with all of these skills. I believe this is the most valuable jump rope skill that one can learn, and that's side swings. Side swings at a basic level are cool and a great way to mix up your jumping. But if you truly master side swings, it can open doors to amazing transitions and movement in your jumping that will take you to mega jump rope athlete status. Here's an example. Basic side swings typically have you jumping in one spot. You can go fast or slow, and they are great for getting your upper body involved, increasing the intensity. But if you learn the timing and rhythm of your side swings, you can now begin to move where the rope isn't. Side to side, forwards and backwards, it begins to take on a whole new look by incorporating speed, agility, footwork, and all-around athleticism. It forces you mentally to anticipate where the rope is going to be as you feel it rotating around you, truly making you one with the rope.
If you need to master the crisscross, check out this video right here, and for other skills, check out my skills library.